Network Entertainment.
Did you wake up with a sense?
Welcome to Wake Up Sad Podcast.
We back.
Oh my gosh, I haven't been back for a really long time.
Oh, matagal na nga.
I'm so sorry to disappoint everyone that Vito's not here.
But you're back.
But I'm back. I mean, I hope some of you are happy to see me. We'll have Vito back on because he's been bugging us. Ano yung gusto niyang episode na next?
About robots and our beach trip.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So, a few things. Number one, we're gonna catch up. I have a bunch of stuff logged on my podcast discussion thing.
Yay.
And then we're gonna talk quickly because I posted on our Wake Up with Jim and Sab Instagram and ask me anything.
Ooh, oh my gosh.
So,
Can I
may-
see the question?
yeah, may quick lang naman. May mga finance tips.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, may mga humingi na finance tips and yeah. And then also, we're gonna do a quick. Actually, yun, let's do the list
Okay.
first. Okay, so first, I wrote here in the airplane. Why do people stand up right away when we? Ano kaya?
I feel like we've talked about this before.
I know, but I think it's important to keep talking about
We
it.
should keep talking about it because it keeps happening.
So, why? Di ba nagland yung plane? Okay. Madalas pa rin, no? Like, hindi pa sinasabi na take off your seatbelts. May natatayo na. Right?
Pero
Get-
yung madalas is yung ting
Yeah.
when the seatbelt sign is off. And then right as they're saying, please stay seated, even if the seatbelt sign is off.
Abot na ng...
I feel like, ano ba, I think, is it the, ano ba, human nature na seeing people,
Do something.
seeing people kind of rushing. Kung ano, parang biglang may makita kang may pila. Ano yun?
Oo nga,
Nakapila
oo
yung mga tao.
Oo nga.
It's like human behavior.
You know why? Ang hassle rin, I think, yung FOMO. Ayaw mo kasi na, ay, shit. Dapat pala pumila ako.
But I know, especially if it's a domestic flight, na wala namang immigration na pila, parang gets ko, parang ako for me, it's always like, para pauwi sa Pilipinas, parang, madali lahat, tas wala pa naman yung baggage. Alam mo yun? Parang, chill lang.
Well, nakakatawa. I did see a bit of news na parang big announcement from NAIA. Na
Has it been privatized ba?
matagal na ata.
I don't know.
Anyway, basically Ramon Ang has been saying na he is practicing daw. Na parang lugi daw ang San Miguel in the rehabilitation program of the
San Miguel
airport.
owns it.
Sorry, I don't know.
We don't know the facts.
I don't know. But they are basically the ones in charge of making it better. I think parang they assume the general management of the airports. Anyway, so may announcement na na parang NAIA unveils parang no more long lines at immigration kasi automated na daw lahat.
I've experienced that.
Sana, pero nakakatawa just ako, I don't know why, just
What?
like me and me pagiging nega Filipino. Look at the comments. Talaga okay.
We.
mga ilang buwan bago hindi na yun gagana. So anyway, so another thing is,
It is taking a long time for us to adapt to yung ticketing sa mga parking.
yeah, in fairness naman, medyo mo okay na.
Parang there's still-
Pero hindi pa rin full cashless.
yes.
Di ba? Anyway,
Anyway,
this is another thing that I wrote down. People who push. Right?
People who
like,
push.
kunwari, in a line. Yung,
oh no way. Personal space
What do you
is my
do?
absolute, like, that is my boundary. No, I've said it before.
What do you say?
Excuse me. Do you mind? I do that.
that's true.
Yeah. So yun lang. Excuse me, do you mind? That's it.
And then sabihin, bakit?
Now you're in my space.
Hindi. Binayaran mo ba itong space na to?
This is my personal space. Wait, where are we? Like in line in Mercury? You know?
Hindi, kung sa NAIA, yung nagbabayad ka ng walang kwentang travel tax.
Yeah, this is my personal space. Don't fucking touch me.
Bakit? Binayaran mo yan? May rent ka?
This is my body.
May rent ka
My
ba?
body, my rules.
Oo nga.
Ano problema mo?
Nandito rin naman ako
Okay, just don't touch me.
Oh, kaya nga. Wala akong ginagawa.
Babae ka, lalaki.
Babae.
Guard! Charot. Kasi the lalaki guy would have punched you. Just kidding.
So,
I'm so sorry. Was that super loud?
no. Next, ito, nakakatawa. So, this is a bit of a political thing. So
I got so triggered by that. My God.
So recently, if you don't know, the sister of our president went to a rally and said,
What?
and went on this weird, nakakatawa. Sobrang, it's like
What is the correct word
okay, ganito guys.
to describe what she did?
Cringe?
No, I mean like, what is the
Hysterical?
word vomit?
Hindi siya. It was planned.
It was my speech, diba?
My speech. Eh.
She was reading
So,
it ba?
Just for everyone's information, si Senator Amy Marcos, during the INC rally, which they claim in the 3-day rally is not a pro-Duterte, not a pro-Marcos rally. On the second, they said it will be a 3-day massive gathering. On the second day, si Senator Amy went up on stage and started doing this parang, walang himala! Si Bongbong! Nagdadroga siya! It's so annoying.
Baka going snippet yan, ha?
Kasi talagang, nagdadroga siya!
The delivery
Walang
was like,
himala!
the delivery was
Like,
so confusing.
like parang, nakagmamakawa ko! Ganun. Like, what the hell? So anyway, she did that. Nakakatawa, all the political analysts that I've been watching have been saying na, BBM, dude, if the parang gets naman if let's say some random vlogger or someone says, nagdadrug si Bongbong Marcos, but your sister went in a public rally and called you a drug addict.
What's he done?
He replied after 3-4 days. And he said like, that's not my sister who would, we worry about her. Ganon yung attack. Kasi yung PR kasi ni Marcos, in fairness, like very, the thing is, hindi siya, he never cuts it. He never,
Definitely not strong man.
hindi ganon yung atake. Hindi siya like, I will not allow this, whatever. Parang, it's always like very like, chill lang tayo, whatever. So, anyway, she does that. So, he says that. She even said,
What if he's like, bigyan niyo ako ng mga 45 days, tapos magda-drug test ako. I don't know, what's the timing of that? I don't know.
Senator Amy also said na Sandro Marcos does drugs.
Insane. Isn't that like...
Liza
that's her-
Araneta does, the first lady does drugs. So, anyway, true or not,
Ang hirap kasi ngayon, people are saying, if you don't believe Amy, you're pro-Marcos. Diba?
No.
Or if you don't like, basta parang it's either you're this or that. And it's like, pwede both.
Nakakatawa because I think I'm a credible political analyst because I watch a lot of stuff on YouTube. Okay?
Okay.
So from Attorney Barry.
Not TikTok?
No, not TikTok. YouTube ako long form.
Whoa. Okay.
Facts first.
Yuck, sobra.
Facts first, Christian Esguerra.
That's okay.
Ah.
Okay.
So anyway, they've been saying na mali, gross miscalculation
Yung ginawa niya.
ni Amy. Parang mga Pilipino, they don't like family drama. Like, di ba, Filipinos nga are, to a fault, are like, kahit tatay mo yan, kahit ano siya, siraulo siya, tatay mo yan. Ganon ang Pinoy.
Kahit ninanakawan ka niya,
Kahit
kailangan mo
ninanakawan,
siyang galangin.
ganon. So, that did not sit well with them.
Because blood is thicker than water forever for
Yes.
Filipinos. Okay.
And then for the Marcoses naman, obviously it's like, oh my God, this is a, what's going on? So, the thing I wrote here is, what if our quarrels with our siblings we used in a public forum like that?
I'm proud to say that like we've had quarrels and we've just never said anything in public.
Yeah, I mean like, kunwari, like,
Oh, well, mahirap kasi kami we're a showbiz family. But you're saying like, for a non-showbiz family,
for
na
not
parang bigla na lang,
like, kuwari kami.
like airing like your dirty laundry.
Yeah,
diba?
like,
Si Chelo, parang di nagre-reply.
Si-
Mga ganun.
Si Chelo, dinala niya yung lahat ng mga home video namin sa Green Hills. Nagsara yung tindahan.
Walang nag-claim.
Or,
Ilang taon na ako nagdudusa. Wala akong memories.
or like,
That's it.
ano ba?
Ako, si Elmo, nung 2 years old siya, sinira niya yung PlayStation ng papa namin. Sinaksak sa maling outlet. Parang awa nyo na. Hindi ito madali para sa akin. That really happened. Si Frank naman, parang bagong-bago pang flat screen TV. Of course, Danger Boy freaking fell.
Do it.
Si Francis Magalona Jr. 7 years old siya nun. Natamaan ang flat screen TV. Nahulog. Mali po ang pamilya namin dahil lumang panahon yun, hindi pa importante na nakadikit sa wall ang mga bagay-bagay na mabigat. Pero kasalanan niya yung gosh.
Grabe.
It's like it's cringe, it's embarrassing. But what do we do about this? Because it's what she did was also it's not like she's saying I just found out, right? And you help put this person
Yeah, that's
in
why
power.
that's why people are angry.
And that's
I don't
know if it's a rumor or if it's confirmed, allegedly na the third day of the rally was canceled.
That's not a rumor. It's confirmed.
It's because of that?
Hindi natuloy.
No, I know, but it's because
Right
of that.
after that, it's confirmed. It's because of
No,
that.
it's because of that.
Yes.
Allegedly.
No. It's confirmed. The speaker, the head of the whatever.
Ano sabi? Dahil sa drama ni ka-cancel. Ang weird naman, they admitted that.
Si Chelo, dinala yung Vince Carter NBA jersey ko sa Poveda. Hindi niya binalik.
Oh my gosh. Grabe. Trying to remember more stupid stuff. Oh my God. That's so cringe.
Grabe. Okay.
Can't believe this is happening. It's really like Veep.
Yeah. So, I have 2 more things before we go into the
Asan na ba
Ask
tayo?
Me Anything.
Okay.
Okay. Nakakatawa. So, we had a really fun bachelor's trip with Manny. It was me, Manny, Kyle, Enzo, and Ali. And we just had such a great time. We went to Taiwan. Anyway, so the whole time si Ali kept hyping yung hot pot. Okay? Ako kasi, baka mali lang yung experience ko.
You've never been into like hot pot, samgyup, stuff like that?
Samgyup game ako.
Talaga?
Samgyup, yakiniku. Sarap yun, mga grill. Ang never ko na gets is itong mga sabawan.
Yeah, I'm not into like, hindi rin ako ma-hot pot.
Friends.
Ako pa lang yung laging, ang lasa. Mali pala ako, Kasalanan ko. But it's like, are we all just supposed to know what to do here? Well, siguro because, maybe for me, because I don't cook. So for me, laging, walang lasa. Tsaka parang, magbabayad ako para magluto. Sana grocery na lang ako.
Well, ako nakakatawa. Ang ginagago ko sa sila. So, si Kyle, si Ali, like, grabe hot pot. Okay, to all our hot pot addicts, please, this is for entertainment purposes only. Okay? Plus, I'm a troll to my...
I make fun of it because I don't understand it. So
Yeah.
I'm the loser here, okay?
Yes, I'm the loser. Plus, I'm a troll to my best friends.
Okay.
So, ako like...
They love it.
So,
Come
yeah.
on.
So, sila Kyle, sila like, hindi, dapat matry mo kasi may special broth. May broth kasi na ibang lasa. So, so Norcube? So, tubig at Norcube, tapos tinatambak.
Solid. Oh,
Tinatambak yung meat. Nice.
Solid.
Nice. So, anyway, we tried this hot pot, and it was like...
Where were you? You haven't said where you
Taiwan.
were. Okay.
It tasted like Lush.
Bath soap?
Yeah. Ano yung Lush or like, when you,
Hey, they say if you taste soapy stuff, it means it's not good anymore.
hindi. Well, it's a joke.
Ah,
But
okay.
medyo ganun naman. May mga, ano yun, potpourri, yung mga bato na peppercorn.
Potpourri.
Basta mga bato. Maraming bato na parang, don't eat! Yun ang sabi ng guy.
Stop
Why?
it. Don't do that. Jen.
Why?
Don't do that. Almost.
Why? Sinabi
You
naman na-
stop that.
sinabi na rin
Yeah, you
ito.
don't have to. Jem. Don't worry, pod kids. I got you. I'm calling him out. Okay.
So, yeah, it's and nakakatawa. So, while we were eating it, and again, hyped by Ali
Oh.
and Kyle, hot pot. So masarap ng hot pot. As soon as I bit into it, and as soon as I tasted the soup, it's like, fuck, it's nilaga. It's okay.
Love nilaga.
Love nilaga. Mas masarap ang nilaga eh. Kaya nga sinasabi ko kay Kyle, the next big fuzz, sabi ko, wag na tayo gumawa ng next big fuzz. Ang next big fuzz natin, dapat hot pot na sinigang. Kasi ilalaban ko ang sinigang sa kahit anong hot pot.
Can you technically make sinigang sa hot pot? Ano ba?
Yeah.
Ano ba yung ginagawa sa, ano ba yung hot pot? Parang nakita ko lang.
It's
mga fishball,
it's
ganun.
boiling water na may broth. Tapos talagay mo nga yung meat kasi mabilis naman mag-cook ang thinly
So
sliced.
technically, it's like nilaga.
Like, yeah. But, no.
Di ba laga? Laga is like boil?
Yeah, technically. But, yes. So, pero kaya ang sinasabi ko nga, this is my idea. Kung sumikat to, kung ano si Josh Boutwood, or magkaroon ng Michelin star tong next restaurant na hot pot sinigang,
Hot pot nilaga.
please say it was my idea. Okay?
Hot
Tinatamad
pot
lang
sinigang.
ako gawin to because ayoko nang, gawin ko kaya.
Hot pot sinigang.
Hot pot sinigang. Di ba?
Di ba parang ang daming steps nun?
No! It's hot pot sinigang. It's the same thing. It's sinigang pero may broth. The broth is sinigang. Kakatamad lang gawin. Okay.
So can you make a hot pot adobo? Ganon?
Mavi.
Bakit? Di ba? Mali. Bakit? Bakit ni pwede yun? Bakit? Anong difference? Di ba nagluluto ka lang rin? Why?
Mavi.
Why?
Pwedeng adobo yung broth.
Oh.
Pwede naman ganun
Oh.
na.
Bakit ako pinapagtawanan?
It's toyo and suka.
Oh.
But hindi siya sabaw.
Kasi parang hindi siya sabaw.
Hindi siya sabaw.
Oh my God, I'm dying.
Okay.
So, okay. That's interesting. I think nanakawin ng concept ng manam tong ano.
Okay. That's it.
That's it.
Now, I'll go to the ama.
What's that? Ask me anything. Taray, may paama si kuya.
May ama. Wait. I just realized how to read
Replies?
the replies to stories.
Ako na nga. Ano ba yan?
Ako na.
Ako na.
Ito na.
Akainis.
Okay. Talk, nakasulat.
Look at Jim if you're watching the video of this. Look at Jim with his like phone case and his ring thing. He's so into that. Sobrang feel niya. Grabe. Annoying.
Okay. What pain is enough to file for sick leave? Here's the thing.
Kahit ano naman.
I'm gonna give a stormbreaker, guys. It is your right. You earned a sick leave. It doesn't matter if you're sick or not.
But do you have to have a medical certificate ba for
Yun yung
that?
hindi ko gets eh. Sorry, like ako like parang you earned that. Parang who cares if it's a sick leave or not?
Honestly, in college, we were allowed cuts, right?
Yun, cuts.
Parang ilan ba? 7?
Oh,
Parang
kunwari,
7
oh.
cuts.
So,
And then I would cut, and then the teacher would ask me why I wasn't there. And then I was like,
dapat ako for me
cut yun ah.
Hindi, ako dapat the since we're changing everything about this country, it should be just like 20 leaves, kunwari lang. It should, whatever.
Dapat wala lang nakalagay na
Parang,
vacation or sick.
and then the medical certificate is required. If lagpas ka na ng 20
Yes.
leaves, and then, syempre, you got sick and you need to still earn money.
That's a good idea.
Then here's a medical certificate. I got fucking sick.
Yeah.
Pay. Hindi ko gets to eh. Like when I was working in a multinational pa, hindi ko gets. Like parang, oh, you're on sick leave? What happened? Like, what the fuck? Why? Why do you care?
Well, baka they just care.
No, they don't.
Okay. Jeez, okay.
Next. Book, movie, and show recos.
Oh, right now?
Thoughts on Life of a Showgirl. Did not like it. I'm so sorry, Swifties. I am a fellow Swiftie. I did not like it. From the packaging to the songs. No, sorry. Wala lang.
Ano yung TSITP?
Tips?
TSITP. Wait lang. Kaya ko yan. Gen Z ako. Charot. This shit is... Charot.
Banana.
TSITP. The summer I turned pretty.
Galing na mo naman.
Told ya.
Galing
Well, I watched it. Okay, very quickly.
Go.
I'll try. I watched season 1 and 2. 3 yung latest, diba? 3 yung latest. Nakakatawa kasi parang it's like, I see all the memes about it na parang, it's like so, but then like you want to watch it and then you watch it and then season 3 is kind of like super kilig. Yun lang.
Okay.
What have you been watching lately? Ako, ang dami kong pinanood. Grabe.
I think ikaw yung may makakontribute dito.
My God. Palm Royale, season 2 is out. That's Apple TV. Kristen Wiig. Laura Dern.
Uh-huh.
And the costumes are fantastic. It's like a period thing. Na parang trying to be in high society. It's funny. It's like ridiculous. Don't take it so serious. It's not serious. Hunting Wives was like, it's like controversial siya. It's very ano siya. If you like Scandal, if you like these, yung mga parang, just don't take it so seriously. All's Fair, I watched. I'm watching. All's Fair is the Kim Kardashian one.
Okay.
And like, again, lahat na
Ryan Murphy?
Yes, everything I'm saying is like, it's not to be taken seriously. The serious things that I did watch, what did we watch? Wala ba?
Frankenstein.
Frankenstein.
Guillermo.
That was good.
Good. We watched Wicked for good.
Wicked for good. Didn't hate it. Didn't super love it. Ba?
I watched this is so old. Sorry, but I finished the first season of Fargo. It's on Disney Plus. It's really good.
I feel like I started season 1 tas hindi ko pa siya natuloy.
Hey, Disney Plus ba? Amazon Prime. Anyway, it's really good. Fargo season 1.
I rewatched Abbott Elementary season 1 and then now I'm on season 2.
Oh.
Love it.
I'm watching Landman now.
What's that?
Yung John Hamm,
Kamusta?
Billy Bob. Okay lang.
Kamusta yung the taker? The letter T. You were watching it. We were
The task.
the task. The taker.
Walang the
Task. Ano yun? Kamusta?
K lang. K
I
lang.
want to watch Physical Asia.
Okay. Books though, please read
Books.
Lonesome Dove.
I'm so sorry. I'm still on Lonesome Dove. Kasi, wait lang, kaya ako nag-slow down is because pinagsabay ko yung Lonesome Dove tsaka yung Poppy Wars. And then I was like, wait, I gotta focus because I'll never finish either book. Well, Lonesome Dove kasi it's mas makapal siya. But it's so good. The characters are so good. It's the best. It's like an epic.
I'm currently reading Prince of Tides.
Okay.
I think it may be my favorite book of all time.
You say that about all the books,
It's
Jim.
so good.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the last one is about the question is about money. First
Okay.
time mom, just give me any money tips. I want to share something that I learned. Na basically we've been managing our funds together as a couple for so long, and we've always naman done ang pinaka tip namin is
Hindi ako na-consult dito Sige, go lang.
is you want to lessen the amount of thinking when you're spending your money. So that's why the first step always is to set aside money for the, let's say, savings.
Ask me how many bank accounts we have.
I don't know. So unahin mo muna yung savings, tanggalin mo. And then savings, or if you want to build a rainy day fund, whatever that is. And no matter how small that goal is, just stick to that goal for a year, and then try to every year palaki ng palaki. So kung at the first year, tatabi ako ng 10% of my salary. Put it in a bank account agad, or put it in a UITF or whatever. Like an investment fund. Just so that that money. But ang point ko lang
But
is,
this is only applicable if you don't have debt.
yeah. Yes.
Most of it should go to paying your debt off.
Yeah, yes,
Right.
definitely. Yes.
And I joke about the bank account thing but it's true. Kasi we can say all of these things hypothetically, like, tabi mo, don't touch it. But for me, what worked really well is having really separate bank accounts. And wag mong hindi rin siya sobrang, wag mo isipin na sayang yung interest kapag malaki siya. Pero kung accidentally mo rin siya magagastos, wala rin. So I'm so like, we have for monthly expenses, we have for post-dated checks that are, being paid. And then I have another one for just taxes. So every time I get an income from either one of us, definitely a percentage goes to the tax account. So we never touch that until the BIR knocks on our door, and every month, every quarter, every year, and all of that. Then we have family savings, we have emergency savings. Dami.
So, actually, to simplify, kasi obviously it's very complicated na yan, no? The goals for you parang right now, since you're a first-time mom, or let's say you're bagong graduate, you're starting, number one, a peace of mind fund, which is yung emergency fund. Like, try to build up, find out how much you spend in a month, and get that amount and nakatabihan. So para lang just in case na. And then goal mo again, this year you spend the whole year, may 1 month ka, kunwari 50,000. The next year you want that account to become 100,000. Then the next year 150,000. Next is yung sinabi pala ni Sab, yung you have to cut all financial bleeding, all the all liabilities that are killing or or eating up your money, whether it's credit card. Kasi nga marami who still don't know that's why credit card companies love it when you don't pay. Kasi sobrang taas ng interest when you don't pay.
I had no idea, guys. I
And
had
a lot
no
of people
idea
do
until
that.
I got together with Jim and he told me, hey, actually I think ikakasal na tayo na when you saw my bills. And then you were like, you want to pay this one? I was like, no, ito lang yung minimum amount lang. And I was like, when he told me, actually, and I was like, what?
Yeah. So kunwari, let's say the bill is 100,000, it'll lalabas sa statement doon, minimum you can just pay 10,000. You don't know that interest is so high the next month. So, yun. That's it.
Yeah.
I guess yung general.
I would recommend, if you're a first-time mom, if you can do without a credit card, please do it. Don't use a credit card. Don't use a credit card until like you've gotten used to the whole process of like, I'm only spending the money that I have. Then you can now start using your credit card as cash. Like you'll use it as like for the points maybe. Pero babayaran mo ka agad. Gets?
Or actually, if gagamit ka ng credit card, I think there are only 2 reasons why you would use a credit card. One, for businesses. It really makes sense. Let's say you need to manage your cash. The second one is you have a very deliberate thing. Let's say, kunwari, the school, or you really need to buy a bed, and you want to split that money into 12 months. Ganon. Pero be very deliberate na this card is just for this bed. And as much as possible, spend everything. Like kami ni Sab, like, honestly, like halos Gcash na lang talaga kami. I don't know, hindi ko nakikita yung credit card bills.
Basta.
Okay, that's it. Bye.
Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.